you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore!
Can you help me? I've lost my mind. My brain is so small and hard to find. Unsigned on the ground and bitch, I'm doing alright. We on the ground, smoke a pound, fly to the top, and they get high.
Yeah. Yo, losing my mind and I feel like I should tell you. I've been punching walls, crossing up and stoning fucking animal. Been eating all these edibles, sacrificing animals since I was a little kid, smoking on my animals. Got to know that I eat the pussy like a cannibal. Flow is fucking flammable. What the fuck is rational? Baseball bat with crash skull, bathe you in the band rolls, we're rolling with a